Welcome to qnawire.
Now we'll talk about problem 87 from chapter 13. In this problem, we're given the freezing point depression constants for cyclohexane and naphthalene, which are 20.1 degrees Celsius per molality and 6.94 degrees Celsius per molality, respectively. So the question is, from which of these solvents would we get a more accurate result if we were trying to use a freezing point depression to calculate molar mass? So if we want to calculate molar mass of a substance, assuming solubility is not the issue, which one would we prefer to use for accuracy purposes? So the determining factor here will be the freezing point depression constants. Since that's the only discriminating information that we can have between the two. And so what we would prefer to have is a larger freezing point depression constant, which cyclohexane does. And the reason for that is because larger changes are more easily measured. So we're probably not going to be working with a large amount. We want to not waste our resources in the lab, and so we're not going to be using a whole gram or a kilogram of a solute. So we're not going to be working at high concentrations. And so if we only use a small amount, then we're really not even changing the temperature by the entire constant. So we're not increasing or decreasing the freezing point. We're not decreasing the freezing point by 7 or 20 degrees Celsius. And so since we're using only a small amount, we want to see as much change as possible so we can get as accurate information as possible. And so that's why cyclohexane would be the better choice to measure this value.